Hello, today basically we are going to discuss about the Salesforce APIs and most of the part is quite about Salesforce platform APIs. So for that, we just need to go to the search bar and the Postman, and we can search over here like Salesforce already. You see a Salesforce developer public workspace which is having Salesforce platform APIs. So basically, we need to go to platform APIs and create a fork for it. Let's name it as either Church's Salesforce platform. Okay, collection. So whatever the workspace that you are working, it's automatically got forked into that workspace. And after that, either you can use any of the APIs. But today we are going to discuss about the GraphQL APIs. The GraphQL APIs are having like good functionality of directly fetching auto query records on the API perspective only. So for that, we first need to authorize an org. So you just need to click over here, and over here you can, if you can want to authorize an sandbox, then you need to go to the variables part first and change that to the sandbox URL like test.salesforce.com or any specific URL of your. So let's start and generate a new access token. It's automatically redirect to you on a website of login with Salesforce. Okay, so after getting all the information like the access token, client ID, and if you and when you put the endpoint of your specific org, then you can just go to the GraphQL UI API like accounts API, and over here there is already a body which is fetching value of ID and name from the object account. Let's send this. It's fetch all the things in this format only, like the format that we gave. There are multiple things that we can do with this specific API. Just we need to change the body and it's automatically gives us a response that we want. So in Windows 23, there is also an update related to the GraphQL that we can directly use the GraphQL in our LWC, which also helps us to reduce our work with Apex. Like we don't need to create any specific any function in Apex to return us the values of any records. Either we can directly go to GraphQL and ask whatever you want. Let's go to an let's fetch an account by ID. So over here, let's copy an ID. Go to account by ID. Over here, it's there is a way to mention the ID that we want and what are the values we need from it. It's ID and the name. Let's paste this ID and send. Automatically fetch channel point. Let's check over here. It's same. Yes, it's same. Let's take account with filters. Let's go to its body and where account with a filter. That account filter is name like S percentage, like a start with S. Let's send this. Let's see, did we got any account? Yes, we got an account with and starting with S. Let's do one more thing. Let's check this. Percentage sample percentage. We got this because sample is including this. So yep, it's worked fine. There is also an option of account audit. Like sometimes we want it in any specific order. Like over here we can mention is ascending or descending order. Depends upon our business requirement. Let's make it as DSC. Now we start. descending orders. Same we can do with the contacts. Like if we go over here and check the bodies, like same we can do with the any other custom object that you want to fetch data directly. Now, what the benefits of this is that if you are connecting our Salesforce with an external system, an external system need to fetch data from Salesforce, then you don't need to create any webhook or any function in Salesforce just to return that value to you. Either you can directly fetch it from Salesforce by using GraphQLs.